Find the 2 square roots of 7,056. Solution. $7,056. We are still going to apply the rules of divisibility. Now, what number will divide 7,056 without having remainder? 2. 70 divided by 2, 35. 56 divided by 2, what do we have? 28. Now, what number can go? 2 again. 35 divided by 2, we have 17. Remainder what? 1. Put that 1 in front of 2, we have 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. Then 8 divided by 2, 4. What number can we use again? 2. 17 divided by 2, what do we have? We have 8. Then remainder 1. Put the 1 in front of 6. What do we have? 16. Divided by 2 again, 8. 4 divided by 2, 2. Then what do we use again? We can use 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 8 divided by 2, 4. 2 divided by 2, 1. So what number are we going to use again that we divide 4, 4, 1? What number will go? So we can use 7. 7 can go. 44 divided by 44 divided by 7, what do we have? 6. Because 7 times 6 is 42. Remainder what? Remainder 2. Now, put the 2 in front of 1, we have 21. 21 divided by 7, what do we have? 3. Then, what number can go in 63? Let's see if this 7 can still go. 7. 63 divided by 7, what do we have? 9. Because 9 times 7 is 63. Now, what number can we use again? That will divide 9. We can use 3. Now, in this case, 9 divided by 3, 3. What number can divide this 3 again? 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. We need this for pairing. Now, we now have square root of 7,056 to be equal to plus or minus by pairing. By pairing, we have 2 times 2. Then the next one, the next 2 times 2 times 2. The next one times 7 times 7. Then the next one times 3 times 3. Which is the same thing as plus or minus square root of what? This is 2 square times another 2 square times another what? 7 square times another 3 square. Now what do we have? This is plus or minus square root of 2 square. The base is the answer. 2 times, what do we have? Now, times another 2 square root of 2 square times square root of 7 square, which is 7, times square root of 3 square, which is 3. Now, this will give us plus or minus 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 7, that is 28. Or we can do it like this. 7 times 3, 21. 21 times 2, 42. 42 times 2, 84. Plus or minus 84. So we can now conclude that square root of 7056 is equals to 84, or and because we have to state the two square root, and minus 84. That is the solution to the problem.